don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but I sure can smell it. Neighbor, he got his gas line digging around. Boy, that stinks. Okay, telling him to get back. Hold on, he don't even want to get back. He's still right there. And you know, it's clearly marked. You know, you can see the gas flag from the locate people right there above, just to the right of that guy right there. A red flag and a yellow one. You know. And Don, he just don't want to wait. And there, it's off. Crisis averted. Boy, it stinks though. Over here. Alright guys, I wanted to show you what the end of this line looked like. And that's the plug that they use. And I can't see what it says, but they pull that on with a tool. It's got a barb on the inside of it for the ID. This is the size of the gas line right here, which I know it's an inch. It's about 7/8, maybe. Yeah, that 56 would be 7/8. A little bigger than that. Or a little smaller, a little bigger than 7/8. But yeah. So they got this black tape here because that's where they crimped it, and so they just squeeze it, and then they put black tape there so they know not to never do it there again. So we got Pink supervising. Alright guys, that's about it. So sure didn't make a lot of noise and let out a lot of gas. Take it easy.